We're Nikki and Terry. We love to travel and take on DIY projects. Join our adventures as we just carry on. We are almost finished our truck camper conversion into our own DIY travel trailer. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Welcome back. We are now getting to the end of our project. The outside still needs aluminum added to the back end of the trailer. The aluminum is now put in place around the wheel well. We used the same polyurethane sealant that we have been using all the way along for this camper build. The cushions around the dining room table are now back in. The lace is now all put back on as well. I have now installed the wire around the front window that is going to be used as the curtain rod. The aluminum is now all put on, so the truck camper conversion is now complete. It officially is a travel trailer. This is the final look. It is all completed inside our new travel trailer. It's so exciting that this is finally finished. The front curtains I made from bed sheets is now completed and on. It is now ready to load everything in and go on a trip. We of course have to do some test drives first, but it is officially ready for travel. This is the closet, the final look inside, hanging space, and one shelf. Are you excited to go on a trip, Wizard? We attached it to the truck and now we are going to attempt to drive up the road and back with it. Thanks for watching. Join us in our next video.